The winner is William Reed, the UK Tradeshow.
It feels unbelievable to be recognised, and we're buzzing about it, absolutely buzzing. I just think it's about teamwork, like all of us playing our part and doing a bit to bring it all together. So yeah, I think that's the most important part.
Bringing it all together.
Yeah, the
Bringing it all
team,
together.
the wider team as well, not just us, but all of the suppliers, the contractors, everybody. We're one site, we're one big team, and that's what makes it, isn't it, guys?
Yeah.